ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ.
Hello. We are going to Almaty from Bangalore. What, Chandan? Are you excited?
Yes, Maga, let's enjoy the snow. ಮಾಡು.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡು.
ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಡು. क्या होगा करना पे
चंदन
और फिर अलमाजी ऊपर की
सलेम
रुकमत
ನೋಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಸಮೋಸ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಲಿ ತಗೋ ಒಟ್ಟು क्या हाय दिनेश दिनेश चलो कज़ाकी पूरी ನನ್ನ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ We are in Almaty and we are having a good time in the night. It's so chilled.
What do you think about this Samal Mall?
This mall is a beautiful mall and we have to explore this. Today we have went to, what is this? Dasik Mall.
Yes, Dasik Mall.
Yeah, we went to Dasik Mall and it was very beautiful. Big, huge and lot
What
of
do you think
luxury
about
items.
the city? What do you think about Almaty?
Almaty is very good. Lot of some misconception in social media and we have experienced till now it's a very good experience.
What do you think about the roads and
Roads are like very, I mean they are done
paths.
like long, like 1970s roads. See, you can see the roads, so big
High
roads, lot of luxury cars like Benz, BMW and
what do you think about the economy here?
economy. I think what the people say is economy is not so good, but what we can see is lot of
Very different.
Yeah, on the ground it's different.
We have
clean,
seen
neat.
more Ferraris here than I have seen in Bangalore.
Yes,
in a single
lot
day.
of luxury cars. Lot of people look very rich here. I don't know how their economy is so low. I don't know. Maybe they are not growing fast, but I think they have got good infrastructure,
Yes.
good civic sense.
So far, so good, boys. We'll
Yes.
update you again.
Good civic sense.
Yes.
Get in.
Okay.
YouTube.
Yesterday there was a heavy rainfall.
Key is multiple layers.
And
Thank you. It's been
Fantastic here.
apni. Pamaga.
The hands are freezing.
Huh? Dinesh. Ready now?
Hi. How are you guys? Yeah.
That's just a beautiful mall called as Dostik Mall. Wonderful ambience, very well designed. After coming out from real arid cold, we are back into the warmth of this mall and we're going to have some good food and good coffee.
Bah.
क्या होगा? So, Misty Dai. How is it? Yogurt.
This is almighty Kazakhstan, and the climate is -1, -2, but we are feeling around -5 because of maybe wind or open place, and it's very cold. We have just visited the ski mall, which is near to our stay. We are staying in an apartment in Almaty.
Three of my cousin sisters, they're 10 years younger than me. Moved married from last 10 years. No kids. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ರಿಯೂನಿಯನ್ 30 years ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರು. We had a reunion this time. Kumaran Sanga. He works for Google in US. He's into animation. He got married at 37. 37 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆದ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಅಂದರೆ she was a
This is Cardian Canyon, world famous canyon which is formed by the wind and water. You can see the beautiful different color rocks and the formation of canyons. Darshan, what we are taking? Black coffee?
Hot chocolate. Oh yeah.
Guys, we are going to Carrion Canyon, the natural beauty, and it's around 300 kilometers from, 200 to 300 kilometers from Almaty. It's formed by wind and water movements, different color of mountains, and also maybe we are seeing Can Lake.
I like that blue lightings. Can you see that blue light, like fountain, blue fountain? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರೋಣಪ್ಪ. What's that blue thing? ಅದೇ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊತಾರೆ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಕಿಡ್ಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್.
ಹಂಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗೂ ಇದೇ
ಇದೇ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನೋ ಡಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಒನ್ ಡಾಗ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಡಿಯಾನ್ ಏನೋ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಡ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್
Fold works for me because frequent traveler I watch a lot of movies. I watch a lot of
Fold 8 camera sakala.
Guys, this is Carrion Canyon. Such a beautiful place, once in a lifetime. Come to Kazakh and Mangesh. How is this place, man?
This is Grand Cherokee.
This is Gand Canyon.
Gand? No. It's a grand. It's a bigger brother of.
This is Grand Cherokee.
Hey, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ತೆಗೆಯು, ಹಿಂದೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್. This is Gand Canyon.
ಇದಾ 3 dates ಆ?
Yeah.
This is Grand Cherokee.
Canyon. Like 500 meters before that, after that ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫುಲ್ 8 ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
8 lanes ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಮೈಲಪ್ಪ
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
360 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಸಕಲಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ.
ಯಾವುದು ಓಪನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ 360 ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾ ರೈಟ್ ಸಕಲಾಗಿದೆ.
ಮಂಡ್ಯದ ಗಂಡು
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಕು. ಆಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಣಿದು
ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ
ನನ್ನಂತೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ
ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ. This is Kolsai Lake, made up of because of volcanic erupts and because of volcanic eruption and earthquakes. This has formed one lake where alpine trees are buried inside the lake.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡು.
ಯಾರು
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೇಡ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲೇ
ಲೇಕ್ ರೊಟೇಟ್
Hey guys!
ಲೇಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಹಂಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಫುಲ್ ಲೇಕ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ
Hey guys, welcome to Kolsai.
Looking in my eyes.
Sonda sırrın bağan beben haksızımın çok kulağıma Sana dinlersin görürsün Şirvanını vurgunursun Ama boşlukta varmadığında Hayını bulup şirvenirsin Ne diyorsun Huzurun öldürürsün
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಕ್ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗನ್ನು AK-47 ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಒಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಜೂಕ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಏನ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಏನಂತಾರ RGB ಏನೋ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಲ್ಲ
Candy Lake, sunken forest.
Sunken forest, mind-blowing four-wheel off-roading in ice and snow.
The highlight of the visit was Jaane Kya Hoga Ramare,
And
performed
Darshan,
by the Hangover Boys.
What? If you could realize
This is going to the
it
Oscars.
needed a meticulous planning, or the plan would have failed.
Super, simply super.
and
This is going
Tanaji,
to the Oscars.
Tanaji,
It's
how
going
to
become a
capture
worldwide 1 million view Insta
We
reel.
took many retakes.
Yeah, we
Mughal
did a
have
lot of hard work.
Taji, the Shivaji.
Shivaji.
Genghis Khan.
Too much of photo shoot.
We have conquered.
Why
Genghis Khan territory.
gone into a family trip now?
Let's head back to our base and fast track. Come on, guys.
There is a forest in this lake, but we can't see now.
Gotta.
ಬಂದ ಎಲ್ರು ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ
Hey
ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ
guys.
Hobbit World.
Today,
Hello guys, where are we now? In Switzerland of Asia.
Central Asia. New Zealand of Central Asia.
Icelandia. Icelandia.
More like North Asia. The term may be Central Asia, but it's more like North Asia.
ಆಟೋ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ